In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes in GIMP. Whether you're working on a graphic, a thumbnail, or just getting comfortable with the interface, learning how to place clean rectangles and circles is a great starting point. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along even if it's your first time using GIMP. First, open GIMP. Once it's up, decide whether you want to start a brand new canvas or work on an existing image. Go to File, then choose New if you want a fresh project, or Open if you already have a file you want to add shapes to. If you're creating something new, pick a canvas size that matches your final output, like a standard HD frame or a social media size. It's easier to start with the right dimensions than to resize later. Now let's add a rectangle. Go to Tools, then Selection Tools, and click Rectangle Select Tool. Your cursor will change to indicate the selection mode. Click and drag on the canvas to create the rectangular area. As you drag, you'll see a dotted outline indicating the shape's boundaries. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can adjust it. Hover over the edges or corners to reveal handles. Drag those to resize, or drag inside the selection to reposition it. If you want a precise size, keep an eye on the width and height shown in the status bar as you draw. The rectangle select is a non-destructive selection, which means you're defining an area you can work with, perfect for consistent layouts and clean edges. Next, let's create a circle or an ellipse. Go back to Tools, Selection Tools, and click Ellipse Select Tool. Just like before, click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape. You'll see the same dotted outline, but now it's curved. You can reshape it by pulling the handles on the sides to make it tall, wide, or perfectly round. If you want a smooth edge, this tool is designed to give you a clean curve as you adjust the selection. Move it around by dragging inside the selection until it's right where you want it. At this point, you've created clear, adjustable shapes using selections. These selections are the foundation for placing elements precisely and keeping your design tidy. You can use them as guides or as target areas for whatever you do next in your project. That's all you need to add rectangles and circles in GIMP. Practice a couple of times and you'll get a feel for shaping, sizing, and positioning. Thanks for watching and happy creating!